I bet by the time I'm done, they're gonna know the name. Tell them, legend. All I do is win, so I got nothing to lose. Smoking purple, man, doing what I do. I'm a fucking beast every time I'm in the booth. Everybody stepping back, cause they all know my crew. You say you want once, but it won't happen again. If you want something dope, then you should go get me a pen. I do what I do, and all I do is spin. It's funny how Franklin's making all of these Benjamins. Get 'em, make careers in, and I never been a fool. If niggas keep on hating, I just pulling out my tools. Bitches say my deep voice puts them in the mood. I done lost my mind, cause I'm a crazy dude. But my life is lavish. I'm wearing high fashion. My lyrics are a beating, so these niggas taking lashings. But they weren't lasting, so it doesn't even matter. Can't compete with me, cause there ain't nobody who was better. Get 'em. And the hands clap, cause they know I'm going hard. Don't even gotta ask, cause they know just who we are. Frank Legend be a star. So look up in the sky, and I'ma be fly until the day I die. I just keep it pimp, I got some bitches in my bed. And when I start rapping, all I do is turn heads. That's right. It's like ABC, so check 1, 2, 3. And I don't give a F, cause you know that I'm a G. Tell 'em. Yeah, I know you rap, but really, nigga, please. I'ma leave you all deceased in the ground underneath. I'ma let you do you, so let me do me. I'ma break it down so I can roll a doobie. Play bitches like a sport, and I'ma let 'em in. Fuck with me, nigga, and you'll turn into a skeleton. So listen up, cause this is the main lesson. There are many artists, but only one Frank Legend. Get 'em. What you thought? Know the name?